Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up auto brightness in your Oppo A16. This operation can be helpful if you want to set up manually your brightness. Here it is on the app screen. Like you see, we can make minimal if you want to read something in dark, or on the max if you are outside the home and you want to get more quality image of your phone. And of course you can set it by automatically by this sensor and the app of the phone. And of course all of this option, there is a settings here. Go to your display brightness and there is same things like the brightness on the max and minimum, and auto brightness there is also here. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!